Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2008 Pontiac G6, right?
2008, yes.
Yeah,
A6,
A6, 2008. And we just have a transmission.
8-cylinder.
Okay, 8-cylinder?
Yeah.
Well, that's a big car. We have a transmission being replaced. And you see here we have three available for VIN. I'm gonna start here, select view, and we try to program the transmission control module. So we're gonna add a VIN. You have to have good internet. Here, I leave it there for my Wi-Fi. And then I will go to launch, connect launch. We're gonna wait a little bit. Check database. It looks like there is an update. When you have an update, you have to wait to get it update automatically. It is better to update your computer from time to time. That one is done. So you don't need to come and update it manually. SPS also get updated. You see the check engine light is on. Pontiac. Now it's complete. Check again, everything is good. Software update automatically. Here is the platform that the computer asks. Okay. Now connect to vehicle. I'm gonna see if I can connect to vehicle. I'm gonna use this, continue. Then we got it already. Okay. It's very funny. Continue. Now we are good. SPS. That's the car. Come here, replace and program. Click on the here. I'm gonna look for transmission control module. Next. Proceed. reading the vehicle data, controllers, getting data. It's pinging the controllers, getting programming data. It's supposed to open now. It fell. I don't believe why it fell, but I'm gonna try one more. You communicating with the transmission, my brother? After you put it, are you communicating with the transmission?
No, I didn't do that after I put it. Before I put it, it's communicating.
You should communicate, check it, and then when you do that, you should communicate. You should do it so you can communicate with it, and be sure that you have no codes.
Because they say blank, I might maybe.
When it's blank, you can say you will get a code say transmission not programmed. Okay. Says we are an issue retrieving the VIN. Is this VIN ending with 9490?
9490, yes. I had an issue before too.
What the issue was?
Like similar to that, where and then it would communicate.
Yeah, if I'm not able to communicate, we cannot do nothing. Because I'm trying to communicate with the computer, pulling down the information, I cannot.
You cannot, right?
That's no good. Maybe when the car is running, I see the ABS light is on. Maybe you have some problem with it. Bring your data, your computer, we're gonna check. It's freeze. Wow. I can communicate with the body control module. Or at least transmission, you see, let me see now. I try on body control module. Wow. You see, I'm able to communicate with the body control module, you see, it's good. So I gotta go back. I will try with my transmission. Come on, there is a problem there. I'm able to communicate with the body control module.
You're able to, okay.
Yeah, so that means if I'm able to communicate with the body, I'm supposed to see the transmission. If I'm able to see the body.
I'm gonna go back to GM and pick up the old one back because it might be good. They say keep it.
Yeah, because I'm supposed to see the body. If I'm not able to communicate, getting programming data. You see, it try to get into it. As soon as you go, it shut down. You see, there is a problem. It says some part number information is missing for this module. Programming cannot continue. You see here?
Now which module is this?
This is a transmission. You see again, programming.
What should that be now?
Could be electrical.
I have problem 0 100.
So you have, if you
between
yeah,
the two computers.
yeah,
And
so
getting positive and getting ground.
yeah, so you have a computer problem. You have communication problem. You have ABS light when the car is start. You have ABS light here. Brake. You see, you need to look for. We don't need no communication. You have to talk to the computer very good. That's why you have a problem. Okay, let me go to engine. I was not able to communicate. Now I'm going to try to see if I can communicate with the engine control module. So if you have U communication line, it's not a computer problem. You have something pulling down the system. Something is pulling down the system.
What if I'm going to disconnect the ABS unit and see if you're able to communicate?
So do it now, yeah. Let me see if I can communicate with sometimes the ABS is playing a mesh.
Yeah, I see ABS.
You see now I'm seeing the engine also there. Disconnect it. Let's see what happens. You disconnect the ABS. Sometimes let's see, like I was able to communicate with, but this is not the ABS problem. This could be the transmission they give it to you. The transmission they give it to you could be the part number is wrong. It happened.
Dealer?
Yeah. I don't know from the dealer, but the
Is
guy.
the dealer I bought it from?
Yeah, that's different story. From
I
the
paid
dealer.
$500 for this thing.
That's one. No, that one. The guy brought something from.
And I put another used one in there, and I was having issues the same way. That's
so your problem is not your problem is not a transmission problem. Maybe communication, wire broke, the connector. All this have to be in consideration. So right now I'm trying to communicate with everything. Okay, let me see now if I'm proceeding it, because he said that this is the code validating, getting programming data. After we disconnect the ABS, if I'm able to get it, okay. If it's not, you have to review your wiring, and you must be really good with.
I have to go see how many monitors, how many units on that same.
Getting programming data, you cannot. I'm able to communicate with the engine computer. I'm able to communicate with the transmission. ABS. No, engine computer. Body control module. You see, it shut down the whole system. We have short or we have something there. So on this car, we know that we have electrical problem. You may have to review your work, or maybe the part number is not the same. We don't know. You can bring another one, or you can bring the old one and plug it from outside. Disconnect the wire, just the module itself. Plug it and see if it's gonna talk or not. But it is. You see here, it's a E2907. Some part number information is missing for this module. Program cannot code. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.